Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And after today's price movement, I don't know if update's probably not the right word, but more so just kind of confirmation of a couple different areas and both these levels that I talked about on Monday. But the biggest dynamic here was that the price just simply went sideways. Sure, it didn't explode upwards, but you have to keep in mind the overall context of things, and that context is that Monday was a brutal day, big gap down. Sure, the price did bounce upwards, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but for those of you that have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down big, and then the price does bounce, and then the very next day the price goes right back to where it was. That didn't happen here. Did the price explode upwards? No, but at least the price was able to maintain, this general area of the chart. Now, does that mean that this is for sure guaranteed to be the bottom? I'm not saying that. My point is, though, that just relative to, like you said, for those of you that have traded for a long time, relative to them from the point of view of, okay, yeah, nice bounce. Oh, and now the bounce has been wiped away. But, being wiped away didn't happen here, which is why, point of confirmation right here at 67 cents remains that key level of support. Because if the price were to come down to 67 and then break down through it, well, at that point in time, you all of a sudden have the price right back to where it was at those lows. And, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. But as of right now, the price isn't even close to 67 cents. So from that angle, definitely a good, healthy day. And then on the flip side, the price is actually closer to breaking above the key level of resistance, which is that red line there, valued at the round number of $1. And that's also where it got rejected from on Monday. So like I said, the price is much closer to breaking the level of resistance than it is support. So overall, yeah, not the most exciting day, but a healthy day. Good to see that the price was able to maintain some of that progress that it made on the bounce from Monday, and we'll see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.